Ocean blue, what have I done to you? Cut so deep, yet growing through and through.
The circulatory system has three functions. The first one is transporting substances around the body. These include oxygen, glucose, carbon dioxide, nutrients, water, and waste products. Also, it controls the body temperature and it protects the body.
New York and London, all I see now.
The blood has to transport oxygen. Therefore, the deoxygenated blood turns to the heart through the vena cava, then is pumped from the heart to the lungs through the pulmonary artery. And now this oxygenated blood turns to the heart through the pulmonary vein. And this is pumped at high pressure from the heart to the body through the aorta.
It might be too late. What would you say? What would you say? What would you do?
There are three types of blood vessels as shown in this magnified part of the circulatory system. There are three different types of blood vessels because they perform different functions, like arteries carry high pressure blood away from the heart. Capillaries are small, so that they can reach all of the body's tissues, and veins carry low pressure blood and therefore have valves. The arteries carry blood away from the heart. The capillary carries blood to and from the body cells, and the veins carries blood back into the heart. The heart has four chambers, and these four have a special name. An upper chamber is called an atrium, and it has a right and a left atrium, and a lower chamber is called a ventricle. This has a right ventricle and a left ventricle. The walls are made of cardiac muscle. The wall dividing the left and the right sides of the heart is called the septum, and the semilunar valves prevent expelled blood flowing back into the heart. Bicuspid or mitral valve, there's also there, and the tricuspid valve. These two valves prevent blood flowing back into the atria from the ventricles. The parts of the heart are the superior vena cava, the right atrium, the tricuspid valve, the right ventricle, the pulmonary valve, and the pulmonary artery, the mitral valve, and the left atrium, the left ventricle, the aortic valve, and the aorta. The oxygenation of the blood has several steps. The blood enters in the superior vena cava and it goes to the right atrium and it passes through the tricuspid valve. And now that it's in the right ventricle, it enters in the pulmonary valve and goes through the pulmonary artery to the lungs. Enters again to the heart through the left atrium, then it passes the mitral valve and stays in the left ventricle, then again to the aortic valve, then to the aorta, and to the rest of the body.
I'm far away. I know I'll stay right there with you. Though it might be too late.
Blood pressure depends on the speed of the blood coming into the vessel and the width of the vessel itself. Like arteries had a speed high, a width medium, and a high pressure. Capillaries have a medium speed, they are narrow, and the pressure is medium. And the veins have a low speed, the width is wide, and the pressure is low.
Into the sea, if I don't know